In this quick overview tour, you will be familiarizing yourself with the 3 different types of main sections in the Cloud Media Management panel. We will be looking at the Media panel, Analytics panel, and the Settings panel. Need to know what everything is when you first load the Cloud Media Management panel? Here is a quick tour of the media interface. When you first log into your account, you will see the media sections of the Management panel, which is laid out into 4 main sections. On the left, we have our core account information, as well as the panel and media navigations. The central media panel allows you to see the media for the currently selected media section. In this case, we see all of the videos from the All Media section. At the bottom, we have the quick settings panel for the currently selected media. On the right, we have the quick publishing panel as well as the media preview. With the left-hand media navigation, we're able to browse through our media library. The All Media sections displays all your videos, live stream players and audio files no matter where they are located. You can filter by media type such as videos for on-demand videos, live for live stream players, audio for audio files, web TV for web TV players and live IP cams for any live IP camera players you may have. Below this we have the Deleted section, which shows us any media players you may have deleted in the past 24 hours, allowing you to recover deleted media before permanent deletion. The Playlist section shows you the default playlist as well as any other playlist you may have created in your account. When adding new media, the media is then added to the default playlist unless another playlist is chosen. When you publish a playlist, you have the great benefit of not having to re-embed the playlist player when making future changes. You're able to simply add, rename, remove and rearrange media or change settings such as monetization, access control, adding subtitles, etc. All changes are then instantly applied to the playlist player, and as previously mentioned, without the need of re-embedding or sharing again. Playlist folders allow you to publish multiple playlists using a playlist player. This is ideal when you wish to organize and present your media into separate categories and let your audience navigate between them. You can add or remove playlists from the playlist folders, as well as make changes to the actual media, all from the media panel. The changes apply automatically to the already shared or embedded playlist player. With one of our media categories selected, you'll be able to see all the media in the central media view. Here you get media-specific information such as media type, thumbnail, name, duration and other media information, as well as showing you if the media has any specific settings enabled. On top we will see action buttons, which are specific for the currently selected media section. In this instance we have the Add Media button, Duplicate button and Delete button. If we select the Live player, we will also see the Live Studio button for the selected live player, from where you can start and manage your live event streams. You can quickly add media to the media section by clicking on the Add Media button or the plus buttons located next to each media section. This opens a pop-up window allowing you to upload local media from your hard drive, remotely hosted media, create live streams, web TV players and live IP camera players. You can quickly upload local media by selecting the Local Upload tab, clicking on the Choose Files button, which opens a file explorer on your computer. Selecting your desired video file and clicking on the Choose button, which adds the selected file to the upload queue. Select the playlist to save it into and start the upload by clicking on the green Upload button. For in-depth information and tutorials on adding different media types and live players, please visit our Help Center. Once the upload has completed, the video will be displayed in your central media panel. We can search for specific media by using the search field in the central media panel. Simply enter your search criteria to see a live search result as you type. With the media selected, you're able to edit some of the media quick settings from the lower settings panel. Using the Settings tab, you can change general information such as title, metadata, as well as uploading a custom thumbnail image. Under Monetization, you'll find one of the most amazing features, Pay-per-view, which will allow you to sell, rent or offer subscriptions to your live and on-demand media for your viewers. all without having to pay any commissions to us. You can also display pre-, mid- and post-video advertisements and banners onto your videos using video advertisement networks such as AdSense and DoubleClick. Access control allows you to password protect your media with a password or apply IP, domain, and geo restrictions to ensure only authorized viewers can watch your media. Under delivery, you can choose from different types of delivery methods for your media. Branding allows you to set up your own video branding for your player or sponsored branding to earn 15% recurring commissions. Availability allows you to control the availability of your media. With subtitles and slides, you can add single and multi-language subtitles for your videos or upload PowerPoint slides to display alongside your video. In the right-hand publishing panel, you're able to see a small player preview for the selected media for quality and playback purposes only. To publish your single media, playlist or playlist folders, select a player type and template. Then select how you would like to publish and share the player. For example, you can generate a shareable link that can be copied to your computer's clipboard and then shared with your colleagues or clients. Or copy an embed code that will allow you to embed the player on your website. You can also post directly to Facebook and Twitter, or share via email. Let's explore Analytics in this quick tour of the Analytics panel. To open the Analytics panel, we will need to click on the Analytics tab in the left-hand navigation panel. You will be presented with the Analytics panel. In the left-hand navigation panel, we have the different types of analytics available to us. On the right hand, you will see the currently displayed analytics as well as the search function. The latest views section gives us an overview of the latest views for the selected media player. You can load the analytical data by either entering the name of the media in the search field or by clicking on the views number for a player in your media panel. The view statistics can also be exported to a .csv spreadsheet. Streams usage displays the latest streams usage data for the selected media player. You can load the analytical data by either entering the name of your media in the search field or by clicking on the views number for a player in your media panel and then selecting streams usage. The view statistics can be exported to multiple different file types. Pay-per-view sales shows you detailed information on the latest sales transactions for all your pay-per-view media. The orders information can also be exported to a .csv spreadsheet as well as a XML file. Pay-per-view tickets usage shows you the latest analytical data for all the tickets used for your sold pay-per-view tickets. Password usage shows the latest usage information for password-restricted media. Let's explore the settings panel in this quick overview tour. To open the settings panel, we will need to click on the settings tab in the left navigation panel. You will be presented with the settings panel. In the left navigation panel, we have the different categories of settings available to us. On the right, you will see the setup panel for the currently selected settings section. When making any changes to the settings, click on the Save button to save your changes. Under Account, we have Account Details. Here you can edit your basic account information as well as changing your password. You can also set your notification preferences, API settings, and Google Analytics integration. Service Plans allows you to choose, upgrade, or downgrade your current service plan. With the add-on store, you can boost your current monthly package with additional streams and additional cloud storage. Payments and Cards shows you your recent transactions as well as being able to add and manage payment cards. Under My Subscriptions, you see your currently active service and add-on store plans. Affiliate Program and Commissions allows you to earn 20% recurring commissions on our affiliate program. Under Setup, we have the Player and Playlist Templates section. Here you can create and modify your player templates for single media players as well as playlist players. Access Control has 3 sub-setting sections. Domain, IP and Geographics enables you to create access restriction packages, with which you can restrict your content to your desired audiences. Password protections allows you to create password packages to restrict access to your media. With password management, you can manage and edit your current passwords. Pay-per-view has 5 subsetting sections. Paywalls and tickets allows you to create custom pay-per-view paywalls and tickets. With payment gateways, you can add or edit custom payment gateway processors to take payment from your clients. Under order confirmation emails, you can create and manage order confirmation email templates that are sent out to your clients after purchasing your pay-per-view videos. With text localization, you can make adjustments to the text displayed when your viewers use your pay-per-view system, or change them to your local language. Sold Tickets Management shows you a list of the currently sold pay-per-view tickets that you can manage and edit. With ads, Vast vPaid VMAP, you can set up external advertisement servers based on the industry standard Vast vPaid and VMAP service. Branding allows you to set up your preferred player branding options, including custom text and image-based branding, sponsored branding to earn commissions on sales, as well as removing the branding completely. Forms allows you to create custom metadata forms that can be used with the quick media settings panel, as well as the external uploaders and playlist players. External uploads has 3 subsetting sections. Remote sources lets you add and manage remote upload sources. Upload logs gives you log information on your latest uploads. Embeddable uploader lets you create and manage an external uploader that you can embed in your website or share via a direct link with your colleagues and clients. Live IP cams lets you add, manage and edit remote live IP cameras. Delivery renditions lets you select your default delivery systems for your on-demand media and live streams. Availability lets you choose your default availability scheduling for your media. Under Miscellaneous, you can find the mail server SMTP settings, which allow you to add and manage custom SMTP servers to use for your pay-per-view confirmation emails. For in-depth information and tutorials on all subjects, please visit our help center.